Hey guys, and now today I'll be showing you how to create a HTML web page using HTML5 form elements and media elements. So now this is the second part of my experiment, where in the first part what we had done was we had created the form submission, like how to register and then add audio, video, files, and etc. etc. Now these are the guidelines for designing the second web page. This one, second one. Here what we do is firstly we need to put a company name like this, exactly like this, which I have done in my previous video. And then this one we have to submit your resume. This is the video which I'll be showing you today. So submitting your resume. First we need to like create the first name and then the middle name and last name, address, contact information. Then these are the progress bars, 60% or 100%, the education details, everything like how to end year, starting year, calendar wise, something like that. Submitting a resume and then reset. You can do everything like that. Okay, so let's get on with it. So this is my web page that I have created. As you can see, yeah. So in this, I'll be showing you how to submit your resume, like personal details, address, contact information, education details, and then submit your resume and then reset. You can always reset it. So first, how to get these tabs, these text holders. It's called as text holders. Open and close the HTML. Open the head. This is a form submission where I have given this here, head, and then the body. Body will be the submitter. So I put given as h1 submitter resume. Field set style, background color. Inside that I've given person details. Okay, as this. This is the one. This, and then label for same things. Inside that label for is just the name. We can give our own like text name. This is a placeholder where you can enter your first name, input type text. Okay, and then label form. This is the middle name. Okay, where you can input type text and then placeholder, enter your middle name. Then same thing goes for the last name. Here is the next one here, and then everything is the same thing except for the date of birth. Now for the date of birth you need a specific type called input type is equal to date, where you have to type in like it'll automatically show you a drop down list box like this. Like you can type in like my birth date is like 25th or anything, anywhere you can type like this. You can always reset it. You can change the dates like this. You can always change it, or you can select it from the calendar itself. Okay, you can go back, forward, anything, and then reset it. So as we type, my name is Nathan, middle name Daniel, last name Jayakumar. Date of birth you can just put anything you want. Age can be anything like okay, dot dot dot, anything. So that's 20% completed. So to get that 20% completed, we gotta divide it first. Okay, then we gotta make it a font size 20 px. Like you can make it anything you want. Font size is basically the font size of this. Then we got to width 500 px. Yeah, meter. This is the the progress bar, how much ever you need it, so that you can just copy mine like right here. Then the next field set, where you the address bar, again this is the second one, and then this is the inside part, the text area, the rows 4, the columns 50, where you can type in whatever you want, like any text you want, you can just enter the type like Karunya, anything like whatever you want, Chennai or Coimbatore, or like you can type numbers also, like anything, you know. And then the city name we can like type Coimbatore. Then we can choose a state, Tamil Nadu, zip code, we can type 604. Okay, can even choose this 105 and whatever. These are all the drop down list box. These are text placeholders. These are drop down list box. These are comment box section, comment box. So a total of 50 characters you can put inside this. You can either resize it whatever you want, like however you want. And if you see this, if you resize it, this over here changes. Whatever resize here. Okay. So now label. This is a city. City, under that the text and all this comes. Then the label. State, after that, then the same thing goes. Now you can choose the options, like these are different types of options, so I've put it over all here. Okay, these are the different types of options. Label, field set, it's the same thing. Zip, this is the zip code. Okay, there you can put whatever the style, font, anything you want. And now we finally close off with this 40% out of 100%. This is the next progress bar. Same thing, you copy this, make it 40, 100, and that's it. Then the second one, what we do is contact information. You can type in whatever the phone number you want. You can type whatever the mobile number you want. Email, like you just type anything you want. Okay, it's email. Website like .google.co.in, anything you want. Then education details. So how do you get all that? Same thing. Exactly copy the same thing over here to here. Okay. Yeah. Email. Yeah. So record, website, the input, the text, name, placeholder, valid URL. It has to be valid URL. It's just a thing for confirming or verifying the URL. Then here, everything is in field set. If you see this, this is the father of everything, like field set. This thing you see, this entire thing is in a box, right? That is the field set. So that is the one. Next, if you see next, yeah, next is the education details. Education details is nothing but sorry, yeah, it's like field set, background color, education details. These are the education details where you can put your table border. Yeah, inside this, what I have put is like qualification, course, board, university, country, then starting year. These are the four things I have put. Okay, these are the four things I have put. So then TR, if you see this, I have put input time checkbox. It has to be a checkbox. Name, value. Then these are all nothing. These are just the format. This is the input type is text, name, value, placeholder, board, university. Select. Okay. Choose India, Italy, Spain, Brazil, China. Okay. Input type, date, name, value. All this. You can put whatever the things you want inside this. Like when you choose this, like I'll show you qualification 10th, in some university, whatever you want. You can choose India. We can change the date and time, whatever we want. Then like this, reset it. 12th, what you were in. Choose India. All this. BTech. anything kind of a Karunya currently studying. So Spain, I'm sorry, India, and then put whatever you want, anything, and then qualifications also MTech. I don't think I'll probably be doing that. We'll see what I have in mind later on. The same thing. Then like that we get the entire thing, and then you just so as you can see, these are the field set. Okay, these are the divs, the field set. The input is submit. Submitting a resume, you can click it. Before that, you can attach your resume in the form of, how do you get this is over here. Sorry, like after this. Sorry, yeah, attaching a resume in the format of a doc or .pdf. This is the format. Okay, and then div, and then the same stuff. This is then completed 80% of 100, and this is completed once you come to the end. Then you can submit a resume, click it, or just reset the entire complete form. Okay, sorry, currently it's not resetting. You can just refresh the page, and then the entire thing gets refreshed. So thank you, friends. This is my second video that I'm signing off from. Thank you.